our dear school administrator, Mrs. Simbeling Taganas, to the Honorable Principal, Mrs. Eva Amipuesto, to our hardworking teachers, school staff, my fellow pupils, parents and guardians, a beautiful day and Merry Christmas to all of us. Today, we gather to reflect on the profound meaning of the Nativity, the birth of Jesus Christ, our Savior. This event, humble yet extraordinary, reminds us of God's immense love for humanity. In a simple manger in Bethlehem, the world received the gift of love, hope, peace, and redemption. As what Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6 says, "For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government will be on his shoulders. And he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, and Prince of Peace." The Nativity story teaches us powerful lessons. It shows us that greatness can come from humility, that light can shine in the darkest of times, and that love and faith can unite us all. As we meditate on this sacred yet joyful moment, let us remember the values it calls us to embody: love, kindness, compassion, generosity, and unwavering faith. This celebration is just a commemoration of an event from long ago. It is an invitation to live the message of Christmas every day. Angels proclaim, "Peace on earth, kindness toward men." Let us strive to be instruments of that peace and kindness in our homes, communities, and the world. May this celebration inspire us to embrace the true spirit of the season and to carry Christ's life into our lives and to those around us. Thank you, and may we all have a blessed and joyful Nativity celebration. Once again, Merry Christmas!